Y'all, I look crazy right now.
Hold up.
So I'm doing a wig review today, but I kind of just want to show y'all how I get my leave out. It's very simple. All I'm going to be doing is taking my braids loose. I washed and blow dry my hair, and I'm just going to be sectioning off the front part where my leave out is going to be. I try to just get the perimeter. Just have this wig cap on, and then I have my leave out, which is just my perimeter in the front. Everything else is already tied up. So I'm gonna put on my wig now and just show y'all how I blend it. It's very simple. The wig I'm doing today is Outre Batik Peruvian half wig. So there's a comb in the front, and then there's a comb in the back, and it's adjustable straps on the side. Yeah, you don't really have to adjust it half the time. It's very easy to, so anybody can wear this wig. So I'm just gonna quickly like put this on. So this is the wig. I think it was like $30, you guys. Actually, this wig is very old. I only wore it twice though, so I was able to do a review on it. I'm gonna kind of quickly just blend my leave out in. I'm using Cream of Nature Extra Hold Edge Control. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. This is the Outre Batik Peruvian half wig. I believe this wig, I got this for like $20 to $30. What I like about this wig is it's like a deep curly kind of look, and if you kind of want to go for this look but don't want to spend money on like human hair bundles, this is perfect. This is a perfect alternative. Only thing is, y'all, this wig is not meant to last long, so please don't buy this wig in hopes of like wearing it for like a month. It's not gonna happen. Hair is just not like the best after a couple of weeks, but I do love it. I like the way that it feels at the moment, but of course, like when it gets a little old, it's not gonna feel like too nice on your skin. It's gonna feel a little rough. And this wig is 24 inches, I think. I'm like 5'5", but it's like, yeah, it's about 24 inches. Yeah, I do love this wig. I love Outre wigs altogether. This isn't my only Outre wig that I've worn. It also comes in different colors. I have worn this in blonde before, so if you guys want to switch up your hair color too, you're able to do that with this hair. I have like a quick hairstyle for birthday or even prom. Prom can be very expensive, so if you can find like a one night kind of hairstyle, this is perfect for that. Make sure you guys wear a wig cap with this because you don't want the combs like in your hair, like pulling your hair back for security. If you don't have a wig cap, trust me, it can feel very, very, very uncomfortable. Is the look. It's really pretty, really, really pretty hair, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this wig review. If you guys want me to do another wig review on something, I can. So I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe. My website will be linked below. And have a good day. Bye.